afternoon, boys and girls. So sorry about this morning with the conference. It didn't want to work, but for your SEL today, we were talking about understanding strengths. And when we talk about strengths, they are the talent, skills, and good qualities you show. Knowing your strengths helps you be the best you. So I want you to think about what are some different skills or strengths someone might be good at. Some examples could be climbing a tree, or going swimming, or reading a book, or doing math, or any of those things, playing soccer, okay? And you should know what your strengths are, like what you're good at. And it's important to know your strengths so that possibly you might be able to teach or help someone else out. So people have different strengths because we are all good at different things. Some of us are good at soccer and some of us aren't good at soccer. And some of us are good at reading and some of us need a little help with reading. And some of us are good at climbing a tree, and then others, they can't climb a tree. So it's important that we're all different so that we can teach one another. And so I want you to think about what is one strength you will use today to help you have a great day. Maybe you already used it this morning. Maybe you'll use it later today. So think about a strength that you're going to use today to help you have a great day. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to post that question underneath this video, and I want you to go ahead and answer it and type in your answer so I know that you've watched this video. I hope you all have a good afternoon. I'll see you at 2 o'clock. Bye.